Look at that. Monday evening, 7:45. The colorful weather alert boxes from Weather Underground. 3,000 miles, beginning with 3 alert boxes in Quebec, including our own coverage area, which is Earlton, Timmins, Cochrane, Kapuskasing-Hearst, Fraservale, Moosonee, areas around eastern Lake Superior, northern Lake Superior, western Lake Superior. The list goes on, folks. Northern Wisconsin, Minnesota, northern Iowa, Dakotas, and even a little bit of the Prairie provinces. So this line is probably a few thousand miles long, which is going to be a 2-day weather maker. Originally it was 3 days, but just imagine how many pieces of geography, how many people live inside these alert boxes between southern prairies, the U.S. Midwest, Superior, Lake Superior region, and Northeast Ontario and Quebec. 2 days of mayhem with these alert boxes. That's lots to think about. As far as the winds go, well, here at home, this warm front is welcomed, although it's still producing a southwesterly wind flow for the southeast part of our viewing area. 7 glorious degrees under clear skies for about an hour or two at Hearst, Ontario. Kapuskasing, I'm not sure what temperature they reach. I wasn't paying attention to that. Nonetheless, Kapuskasing and Moosonee around 6 o'clock are reporting a wind shift from the northwest rather. Watch and see if the temperatures are going to cool down. But this warm front is still affecting Timmins, Matheson region with a wonderful late summer breeze for sure. So we're going to watch the behavior, the direction of this cold front to see how many more locations we'll see a wind shift. Maybe storm related, I'm not sure yet. What may be storm related, I'm still watching, is this blossoming storm cloud east of Texas crossing Arkansas and Missouri. This could still be the jackpot weather maker for our winter storm. The higher cloud tops move northbound towards Sault Ste. Marie. North of that, it's here at home, and it's just light gray matter or just a thin overcast layer of clouds to calm before the storm. I'm also watching a cluster of clouds over the U.S. Midwest. If this could be an added cluster to this here, if these two are the weather partners that are working together to clash into one, that could be the 2 days of powerful, intense winter weather across this vast geography that we just talked about. As far as the snowfall forecast goes, according to the Weather Network at 7 o'clock this evening, we've reduced any precipitation amounts by maybe 3 to 5 centimeters, maybe a couple millimeters for Earlton as well, which means that instead of this being a 3+ day long winter storm event, it may be down to 2.5 days. So we maybe cut out 18-24 hours. The Wednesday column shows that the southeast part of the viewing area will add 5 centimeters. The northwest portion will reduce 5 centimeters, but that transfers over to the Thursday column because everyone's going to receive at least a minimum of 5 more centimeters before the storm is done by, let's say, by the latest Friday midday. So Tuesday night it begins. Wednesday, part 1 of 2 begins or continues. 25 centimeters. This is the jackpot for Smooth Rock Falls. Watch out for the Trans-Canada and the Teslas Gulf Highway, 11 and 655. This could cause a problem here. You're going to continue with 5 to 10 more centimeters on top of the 25 between Wednesday and Thursday for Smooth Rock Falls. Everyone's going to be getting most of the snow Wednesday and heavy leftovers on Thursday before we call it quits. That's your presentation for this Monday night with reference to the upgrade from the Winter Storm Watch to the Winter Storm Warning. The WeatherStar computer continues tonight without the webcams because it's too dark, and we'll see if we can have the WeatherStar running tomorrow morning as well.